All right, we are on the last slope here at 12608 Sandwood Court in Raleigh for the insured Gene Charlton. This is the rear left slope. We have a wind damage tab here, indicated by the creasing at the top. So in order to perform this simulated repair, we're going to have to pull this shingle, and we'll have to break the seals on the above tabs to get this tab out. So I'll mark the shingle we're going to attempt to repair, and this shingle, which doesn't have any creasing or broken tabs, will have to be our left slope, our left lateral limit. No nail. Four nails. A mat transfer. We're missing nails on the side. Let's see if we got a clear surface. All right. zoom in on this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so, attempt to repair the one with the X's on it. This is our repair box. We're getting granule loss on the shingles. It's the same methodology as before. I don't think I dinged it with the hammer there, but there's a ding on the shingle. But I wouldn't want to repair this tab and then have to repair this tab and this tab up the roof. So, thanks for your consideration.